This project is brought to you by the Migration and Development Initiative for Western Visayas, which aims to encourage local government units in harnessing the contributions of overseas Filipinos, non-government organizations, and private sector to support local development efforts. A crowdfunding mechanism is put in place to support disaster risk reduction and mitigation projects in calamity-prone areas of Western Visayas. For the MND Global efforts, please visit www.migrationfordevelopment.org.
This is Delsa, a barangay health worker, a fisherfolk, a mother, and a Yolanda survivor. Ever since then, this has been her routine. Every morning, with a boat provided by the Rebuild Project, she goes to fish as her main source of livelihood, which in turn enables her to give back 40% of her earnings to the cooperative community. To earn extra money, she dries fish. If she will be able to sell her products to the cooperative market, she would have more profit. As an independent mother, she ensures the welfare of her children and grandchildren. And at the barangay center, one of her jobs include weighing children, which she then logs and files. Despite all these things, her earnings are still not enough. But with your support for the Rebuild Project, building the facilities of the cooperative community will be accomplished. Delsa and people like her will be able to have a sustainable livelihood. The needed funds for the project will be pooled in by the local government units, civil societies, non-government organizations, and with a minimum of $5 from you, with your help, you can be that bridge to a more fortified livelihood for the people in the island. For donations, you may deposit via these bank accounts, or you may visit www.bangonwesternvisayas.com.